This is Meenakshi Ratnakar, a multiple myeloma patient. Here before you, feeling happy, feeling good, and of course cured, but still on medicines. Questions which of course came to my mind and would come to your mind was, how was it detected? How did I think of coming to a doctor, and especially to the International Oncology Center? Well, I was getting pain in different parts, and then after physiotherapy and some painkillers, it was decided to X-rays, MRI and CT scan. Finally, it was in the CT scan that this was detected. They suspected multiple myeloma, and then of course we had a whole lot of investigations, starting from blood reports and coming off to bone marrow biopsy. Now, bone marrow biopsy is something which normally one fears. It's not a thing to be scared about, because it's done under local anesthesia. The whole procedure takes just about 15-20 minutes, and all that you feel is a needle going into your body, no pain, no side effects, and nothing whatever. Then of course that confirmed that it was multiple myeloma, and then we started the treatment. The treatment again was at the International Oncology Center. The doctors were really wonderful. The doctors and the staff both were at the beck and call whenever required, either at the OPD or even at home. The moment you called them, they were at your service, ready to answer all questions and queries and put you at ease. Since I've gone through it, I know. I kept waiting for the worst, and before I knew, I was up and about.